Billy meaning Echego megwu na kolo kampu nke Enugwu Jesogusi di enye Billy meaning We bategwu nwe noku na Enugwu Jesogusi dizi ene We bata zata Enugwu amarom na nda zata buolu oyibo Ebe abụkụ bịa mụ nọ wee nyụ manya Kama na o nwerọkwa ive melie O nwerọkwa ive melie Because I can tell you if you try, you know, succeed. Try to try again. By God's ability, you can survive it. The right one and you. Fadi ike guano. Benjamin no ruku. Ivi kene me buken. Ivi kene me buken. Ivi kene me riken. Power Mike na neni. Power Mike of Nigerian. Even in the world, I see a holy you. Power Mike. Nano nyegiriki balemba na so botu seta dono no Enugwu. Ivi kene me buken. Na first round. Fana boba de rom. Ivi kene me buken. Second round, Fana bomba de rom. Even Kiken American. To the third round, that Yongiri in a joy can. Hit your power, Michael. Hit Yen at the body education. Divikan American. Well, put on a photo round. Oh, Mikey, wedding a land and we Bulonia Girikin. Oh, Mikey, not the Magan even a American Mabulonia Girikin. Tuana Nana, Bulonia Giriki Bawa, a blue general better hospital in Nugu, a bavo on our Divikan American. How about you do more? If we tap on Kabalidim, Bagungo But the bomb Mikey may not be even when the non ring is at the Yanam. The ring is at the Yanam. Chief Vincent Bajak and Enugwu ring is at the Yanam. On a ring is at the Yanam. The Canadian transport millionaire on a ring is at the Yanam. The ring is at the Yanam. The one universal just on a ring is at the Yanano. The ring is at the Yanano. Chief Oguvi Kakajak on a pitolio. Ring is at the Yan. On a ring is at the Yano. The ring is at the Yanano. You don't Enugwu, no ring is at the Yanano. The ring is at the Yanam. Never Mazu Conway. On a ring is at the Yan. Thinking of Mosquito even a million. On a ring is at the Yanano. Oketele of Enugwu Christian work where you went on a ring is at the Yan. The ring is at the Yanaway. Tomani can't now rob Enugwu give Kaisi Agatin. In on a ring is at the Yanano. The ring is at the Yano. 7 even a Enugwu. Non a ring is at the Yano. Tubunda Malagamon. Mate Jagun and Cambolon. Mate Jagun and Cam Melody. 2 million and then Pita. otu ugwu nwunye na odumodu na-ezu nye ka oje na-arụ ọnụ na nke abụ alụsị mkpụtụ nkụra Ọkọnkwa Limited nwa nke malụ mma na-eri ọgbọnọda nwa nke malụ mma na-eri ọgbọnọda na-aba nna m balị ma amaka mma ọba ama Ọkọnkwa ebe ekwuta alụsị kpalitere ga kongo onye ọbụla nchedo m ntị ọkwụ na amagoro pistọkila na kiri wii nwe ozizi Nwachukwu trizutongwu men ndị Naijiria ndị ọzọ na-emepụkwapụ ndị agụụ ofu mbọchị akpa simenti ya nyụọba anya ode n'igwe ewuwe Ọkọnkwa na-aba naanị na adoge n'ụlọ ụwa
obodo kọlugo anya nwachabago anya pụtago ife mebego ịgbakwa onye iwu ịgbakwa onye iwu ịgbakwa onye iwu ịgbakwa onye iwu oke na-apụ ọkụ nwa na-ebe ebe oge ọma ọsịsọ Now we there here. It's a couple of bullies, now we there here. Messi to see the weekend, now we there here. If you got the pump for I need you, but God put in a lot for man. You know got no choice. If you got the package, I need you, but God put the belly. Security confirm, the man who do not you know, the man I mess with God put that you can find it. The man I'm dead, and I'm I hope you want to make it. I don't share what you want. I'm not those who are right. I'm not the Tilora. I don't one day. What you don't know one day. One I yes, one baby. Over more season. You want to one more season. Full option, no double silencer. If I'm a double power, no double condenser. If I need to go, no pick it up with one song. I can't even in Chawa, who they went this song. Dinko. The whole of men who should eat it. Dama, no, this and that, no, see. And I'm a one effect. And I'm a Sipanundo. Go pop a boneto. Men who never a bundle. Fabia is walk. Fana mena cash. For do not get a check. If you want to pop for I need you, I go in my love for man. No one no choice. If you want to pack it, I need you, I go in the belly. Security confirm. The man who do not you know. The man I mess with but over that you can find it. The man I'm dead. And I'm I go feel what you make it. And that's it, no black wood. I can't put your money, boy. Doctors and more. What can you do? Legend the one day. On your Jawashi, over more season. Oh, man, no joke. Full option, no double silencer. If I'm not double Jawas, no double condenser. If I need to go double, no pick it up with a muscle. I can't even in Chawa, who they want this song.
Big small something.
I put a go. If I may go. If I'm on you, I put a go. If I may go. If I'm on you. Siski to beauty. Chawa. Munyo doku ae. 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 Munyo doku ae.
It started like an hour ago. But you know, like they say about fine wine, the older it is, the better. And without further ado, I'd like to invite the MC for tonight's occasion. Chief Mudoji. Onkosisi!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. This is a day the Enugwu people have set aside for their Onwasato, Olili, and as Igbo people and our friends who have been dealing with us on a very close range would have gotten an idea of what Olili means for us. It's a very special event, festival for us at this time. This is the time we thank God for what He has done in our lives and what He has done for us as a community and as a people. So the Enugwu people have gathered today. They have called us for this and they just want to make the merry and they have called us to join them. And of course, you know what it means to say Olili. Olili is to eat. Eating. They have prepared so well for this evening. And I've been told that what will make us stay here, sustain us happily, will not be in lack. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you once again. All the people in the house, their big in-laws, their sons, and everybody that actually matter is here in the house. So we thank God and without wasting too much of our time again, because we've actually spent some time trying to allow people to come in. We want to recognize the presence of our brother, Attorney Okedike Ugebenaja Nukumwanakokwa Ainekene Yana Dr. Winnie Ikodia is going. Aina say that. Ainekene Chief Henry Okoliabo on Bogondi Enugwu no Dalo Honorando Chukwu Enugwu Yoga Dilma Yana onye bie nnukwu ada n'Enugwu kwa n'Enugwu anyị na-ekele Dr. Mrs. Ada Okoliabo ọ ga-adịrị gị mma nnukwu ada ka ịbụ anyị nwere alụfụ akụ nnukwu nwa n'Enugwu Chief Ekpe anyị na-asị daalụ Akajugo Chief Imanwankwọ nnukwu nwa n'Enugwu ndị Enugwu ji eje mbọsị gburugburu anyị na-ekele thank you for your presence. Chief Dr. Udenze anyị na-ekele Ọzọmgbo home n'Enugwu n'Ọmụndụ anyị na-asị gị daalụ okporoko ijiji nnukwu mmadụ gị bụ n'Enugwu anyị na-ekele anyị na-asị gị daalụ CJ Ana-Emeka obere nwa na-emesi ike n'Enugwu anyị na-asị gị daalụ Ọzọmgbo Chief Sir Basil Mbụba Ebube Chukwu ụzọ n'Enugwu anyị na-ekele biko anyị na-asị Akụnne na n'Imo ọkụ ome anyị na-asị unu daalụ biko anyị ga-ebido nụ anyị mesịzi ya ka anyị jiziere nwayọọ wee gwabazi ụmụnne anyị ndị anyị na-aba nọgasị ebe a maka mmadụ erika ọkaka na nka anyị na-ekene ya anyị na-asị daalụ Obijiọfọ Okoziefo nnukwu mmadụ daalụ ene mma afọ n'ọnụ akpọkọtara anyị ndị mmadụ daalụ nwanne ezigbo nwa na Enugwu Ukwu Chukwusokoye kenelu m ezigbo ada ọ ga-adịrị unu mma Mrs. Okoye Isioma daalụ biko atọ na ifi mba anyị na-asị daalụ nnukwu ada na Enugwu Ukwu na ụmụnne. Let me call on our brother all the way from Nigeria for this event of Professor William Emeka Obiora. Obiozo Igbo etuta akụ ka ọ gbagota na ha tebụl prof nye prof oche nye oche somewhere here there. Mrs. Ngozi Mbuba kedu ka ime Ọzọmbụ osi ebe alụpụ akụ n'Enugwu Ukwu na ụmụnre biko ka ọ gbagota to the high table. All right. Ogota nyanya ni yote. All right. Okay, thank you. Biko, let's get to the high table. Nnukwu mmadụ na Enugwu Ukwu Ọzọmbụ Akajugo na Enugwu Ukwu na ụmụnri Chief Ima Nwankwo and Lolia Jenny n'Enugwu oche ebe a ka ọcha ili Utenu Ima Nwankwo n'enu oche ebe a Ọzọmbụ Akajugo Kwasa Nnukwu Midisha n'Enugwu Ukwu na ụmụnri Bọsibụrụgwo because this time let's also call on our brother Nnukwu Mmadụ IGM ọnụ na Enugwu Ukwu na ụmụnri in the person of Ọzọmbụ Sachike Udenze whom na Enugwu Ukwu na ụmụnri ọgbakọta to high table play. And recognizing our brothers who came to join here, we have our brother and good friend Anthony Oje Lawal in the house. Thank you so much for coming, sir. And also we have Engineer Akin Baja Biamila, Honorable Commissioner for Lagos State. We thank you for coming. God bless you all. God bless you all. They are brothers from the West, but we do things well with them. Thank you so much. All right. At this time, we have several well-established in-laws from Enugwu Ukwu people. People who are married to the Adenugus. And we want to start with Chief and Iyom Laide Oni Orison to the high table. Another of our big in-law, Chief Akini and Iyom Obaku Decency. Kababagota to the high table. Obaku Decency. Iyom Akini. All right. Thank you. Chief Akini. Thank you for coming. Iyomopako, decency. Thank you so much. And Mrs. Nelson Ilodigo, Odeni Bonoko, Obonon, Yakobakta to the high table. Weekend of Lilu, Attorney Onyedere, Ainekele, welcome, sir. Oh, you going to Lilu, Baza? You weekend. I like a chief sir, Igu, also is based in Animo. Yana Dr. Mrs. Igu Usulawara. I know you know. Laide Oni Orison and Ada Iwani Enugwu Ada Iyom Enugwu no more. While we are waiting for this, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that we're also calling on our very special in-law, Chief Henry. He's also special guest. All for double role going to play. Apart from being a very recognized in-law to the Enugwu people, married to their special daughter, Dr. Ada Okoliabo, Bukwelu Chief, Enugwu no Monday. Aina Abo, Homala Malo, Lochie di Nenu Eba, Manebo Asioko, Homogana Golo Dog ya, Ulos is Jackasia Benine, so Ebo Nos in Ayano, we need Tiolo, who will accept that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you that our special in-law is in the house, in the person of Chief Henry Okoliabo Igliguli. And Ononando Chuku, Enugwu no Monday. I like to know, no, Dalo. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we need somebody to be on the high table to pilot the affairs of this Olili Onwasato of Enugwu. Enugwu is people who respect their culture so much and they display it with our pride. So at this time, allow me to call to the high table Attorney Chief Okedike and Dr. Winnie Dike Igodie. I know Ugwebe Naja Nakokwa Wabata to the high table. Yanoliakia Bigo. Let's have good music for them to come. Ugwebe Naja. Dr. Willie, I have seen the law. People listen Bajaka no bag, bring his idea now. On his idea now. The transport Milonia, on his idea, bring his idea now. The one that universal just on his idea, bring his idea now. Aena Suga Benaja, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Our special brother, God will bless you as you are here. To accept to chair this event is a happy moment for all of us. And we know that as usual, we are going to make it work and work very specially. So, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, let me call on our brother for the opening prayers. Chief, Mike, okay. Odibuegu for the opening prayers, please. Odibuegu for the opening prayers, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The organizers of this New Year festival, they've a kind of instruction that I will say this prayer in Igbo. So, Makihaine me Onwasato. Ebele we shepolo we gamoja we begin with am Igbo ka yin. So biko anya wona for lot ka ikene Chineke. Anya wona for lot an Igbo okwu isi wo okwu. Ndị ọzọ abụ na iwe for just 1 minute. Ana fan biko we ntị n'obi n'enu. Izo onye nwanyị na Chineke papa nke igwe eze ndị bechela ọgwụ anyị na-enye gị ekene na mbọsị tata bụ 14th of September 2024. Anyị na-ayọ gị Chineke na-ejisi wee ma anyị gbakọ ebe a na atụmatụ anyị wụ ndị Enugwu bụ isi eze Eastern Africa. Anyị sị ka anyị na ụmụnne anyị nọkọ na ndị ọgọ anyị na Enugwu the friends wee waa ji I went as a email ihe ọma iri na ihe mana abanye aka ọga na ntụziaka gị onye ọwụ na ịkpọla okwu ebe a ụgwọ iri ya na yamakali abịa iri na-esi n'ebe a anyị ga-eri elu obi ọcha ọ ga-arụ anyị mana arụ ọkụkụ na inwe dagharị a wee bịa bịa kiri nne na yere ahụ ọgwọdụ anyị wee na-aya Chineke nna ebumnobi anyị anyị ji maka ọrụ ebe a Chineke ọji anyị awa na ọkpaka anyị ata n'elu ma na anyị tacha ya ka anyị were obi anyị n'anyị ọwụ na nne ya toro esoro eme ka mama ma anụ ma ebe ọzọ bụ masị ezinụlọ anyị wee na-asị Chineke na ka ọ gọzie anyị nyere anyị aka ihe ndị aka anyị na-ayọ gositara gị okwu Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwanyị n'afọ ya.
Can we have the colonels at this moment, please? Ide ji owu n'ama ọbịa anyị na-ekele Olowu Ibuso anyị na-ekele thank you. Ekpete nye dike gbata akwụkwọ na ahịa ahụ n'Olili ka ibe. Colonels. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, one is on the DJ Jackie Olili and Asige. Thank you for coming and we have a nice day and we're doing very well. Thank you. And the man behind the videography is Michelle Enugwu. Oh, pure guys. Enjoy the Makalia. This is because I scaffold Dr. Ideka jump to the right table, please. Has anybody decided how where she is? Ideka jump to doctor. What is not Kija? Mogoma. I don't know. For the event, to the chairman of the occasion, we have an agent umbrella. All right. All right, thank you. Thank you. Microphone to the chairman of the event.
Okosisi ekene mi o. Biko ndị Enugwu Ukwu ewutogola anya ọjị o. Ịmụ ebe mmadụ n'ala Igbo ọ chọọ ekpere gị ezigbo ekpere, ọ chọọ isi gị ezigbo nnọọ ubunye gị ọjị. Ịmụ Enugwu Ukwu wụ nnukwu obodo. Enugwu Ukwu wụ nnukwu obodo. Ọ nwa nri wụrụ isi Igbo. And ndị Enugwu Ukwu wụ the custodians of Igbo custom and culture and tradition, and they do not forget their role despite they have traveled over 5,000 miles. They are not America. So because they okunu because onweghị okwu ma ọ na-aga ije asị ọfọ na amara ma o meire akpọkuo ọkwa ọkpanụ ngedenge ịma asị na nkụdị na mba na-elere mba nni onye nọ n'aka ekpe ọkwa nnukwu nwa afọ Enugwu Ukwu. So ka a ghara ime mistake asị onye nọ mmadụ nso na anụ so a mebunye ọjị ka o wee gaa ije dị na ya. Biko ekene m ụlọ nwanna
Ugebe n'aja ekene gị nnukwu chairman. Ụgbọala adaka Deluno ede ebute okwu bute ọjị ofu ọbọ ga-azụ n'aba chairman a sị na ọkwa gụ nwụta n'aka eli ya chairman ebughego m ọjị si ka mmemme dị anụ ka omenala si adị nwa na-asị biko chairman iwepụ n'ofe ọjị biko ọbama ga-abịa ka o bughali ọjị. Biko kedu onye ga-abịa bughali ọjị? Aka dị ugo. Biko ọjị a then ndị nọ na tebụl ewelego aka dị ugo ewelego ọjị, alụkwu ewelego ọjị, chairman ewelego ọjị. Biko igiligi enye ya ọjị oke ọgọ. Biko bẹ́ẹ̀ ni isi tebụl ka mmekọ onye na tebụl. Biko onwe onye Abia ma Ebonyi ma Imo chairman bụ onye Imo nke ume wutego onye ndị Amerịka
ga-enyere oke ozi ọjị nyere isi chairman ọjị. Biko nụ ka anyị nwe ọja biko nụ. Enugwu ekene emu mụọnụ zụọnụ. Nigeria ekene emu unu. Nigeria ekene emu unu. America ekenekwa emu unu. Biko ọjị dị m n'aka. Ibe nke izi a ga-eme bụ na a ga-akpọpụ Chukwu, mana a sị nka ntigoro obere okwu maka na nri bụ isi Igbo. Omenala ka anyị na-eme na ife a kụziri ụmụazị anyị gaba ga na-aghọta na-amụta. Invitation kaadị edele gbasa anyị bịa ebe a edele 7 o'clock. Ibe na-akụ kịta bụ 11 almost. Ọ bụla na-eme so na nna ayọ biko ndị Enugwu ukwu ma ndị Igbo niile nọ na Houston ga-emetewa azụ nwa ga-esi wee na-eso usoro time ka anyị wee nwee ike na-akụziri ụmụaka anyị ezigbo ibe maka na ebe n'oge ọ na n'oge nwa na-asị o ka ayọ ndụ n'isi igwe Enugwu ukwu na Ụmụnri igwe ọdịna mkpume agụ arọ saa igwe Rafael Egbe na ndị kabinet ya na ndị nze na ọzọ ndị iyom ụmụ okolobịa ụmụada anaghịkwu ngozi n'isi onye ọbụla nọ ebe a na-ayọ ngozi na ndị agbata obi anyị. Ife anyị na-eme taa bụ anyị na-eli olili Onwasato. Ndị Enugwu ugwu adịghị eli ji, fada awọ ji. Anyị na-eli ji ma anyị adịghị awọ ji. Olili Onwasato ka anyị na-eme. Nwa na-asị o biko ka ụkwụ aji bịa ebe a ka anyị eji wee na. Mana nke ka nke bụ na anyị enwegoro obere ohere wee lote alụme n'Enugwu ukwu n'izu a. Nwa na-asị biko ka onye ọbụla n'ọnwa yọọ ka anyị nwee ike ilote ndị egburu egbu na alụ eme n'Enugwu ukwu. Nwa na-asị ka Chukwu osobe ụwa ọzọ emezina ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile nwụrụ anwụ na mkpụrụ obi ndị ọzọkwa nwụwa ugbo ka Chukwu nabataba gbalịba njọba. Biko ọzọ emezina anyị bụ Igbo, anyị afụ onwe anyị n'anya dịka Chukwu sifu anyị n'anya. Nwa na-ajọkwa na-asị na anyị na-aga n'iru ndị ajọ mmụọ nọ n'azụ, anọ n'azụ, ọ nọ n'iru, anọ n'etiti na abụkọ feja fere anyị. Kpata akụ lie akụ, ife akụ akụ ife nwe nwe. A na-asị ka amụta ezigbo nwa na nwa na-amụta ibe obe, ọ bụrụ ụmụ ha mụnye n'ụlọ ọkụ. Anyị na-akụziri ụmụ anyị ezigbo ibe. Ọ abụ azụcha ava bazụrụ anyị ka ha n'onwebe anya. Biko nụ ka anyị fụ onwe anyị n'anya n'ọnya bụ isi. Onye bụ ibe ga-adịrị nwanne ya mma na gozirie ụzọ. Nwa na-asị o na ife onye ọbụla bụ n'obi Chukwu meelie ihe karịa ka o si yọ, mana ọ bụla ji ife Chukwu wepụ nke a meelie nke ka ya mma. A sịkwa na okwu na afọ nze n'ọnụ ọ na-izu. Ọjị a na-ayọ Chukwu ka ọ bata anya n'otu ka anyị taa n'ibe ka ọ gọzie arụ na mkpụrụ obi. Ibe anyị na-enweta ata bụ olili Onwasato ka ọ bara anyị ndị na-ekpọrọ ka fa nwee obi aṅụrị na fa nọchi ebe a na-ana. na ife akpọlụva na va nwere obi aṅụrị nwana ya zụkwa na onwe ife ọzọ fọdụzụkwa anụ eje na nkwe Enugwu olie igwu luli ọjị ya wụrụkwa na ekene m unu okay, ọjị awakwala ise si maka ebe ya eme ọjị mgbakwawala ise so si ga-alụba ije ka amalibe ya eme gbọọ aka ji ugo onwere ya eme ok si rapụ onye ya ngwa biko onye nwezi ji ọjị na awa ọjị ka agaba n'iru
biko Dr. Deze nnukwu nwa n'Enugwu Ukwu na Ụmụnri ọzọ bụ ọwago ọjị according to the understanding and cooperation from the table men alụpụenu ya akajugo Enugwu Ukwu ya o nwere ka osimi ọ na-eme metasị fancha then the chairman of today's event Ugo Ebenaja n'uru ala nnukwu nwa Attorney Okedike ọnụ ya ikodie nọdebere so ibe ọbụla si na tebụl ahụ pụta bụ original and ọ gara ọfụma so anyị na-ekene unu so much biko unu mana adaghị onye ekpubie ife ọfụ ya bụrụ ya onye ga-agwa anyị exactly etu ibe si wee kwụrụ bụ the chairman of the affiliate branch of Houston, Texas in the person of Uche Odinigwe. Uche, Dr. Uche Odinigwe.
Good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. Afam Uche Odinigwe. I want to welcome everybody to this occasion. We've been doing this, but this one seems to be the highest so far. From the number of people that are here to the enthusiasm when we are getting ready for this occasion. I want to especially thank the planning committee led by Ezoba Chris Mozo and the other members of the planning committee. I also want to thank our EBO chairman, our special guests of honor, and all the other people that attended this and still attending this occasion. Because Bolona and Kaira, we weren't expecting this number of people, and the occasion will be this August, but if I be able to go and I had a kuja. So, if I ask them, you'll be given on Beledeke Jamanike. So, everyone down and Belede, I give the school now. Enugu Kwenu, Enugu Kwenu, Enugu Kwenu.
Thank you so much, Biko Kwani. A round of applause. Olili ji Enugwu Ukwu. Biko, at this time, I want to crave your indulgence that we need absolute audience to listen to our brother. He is used to speaking and people listening. A professor in the university, when a professor talks, no student talks. So he will want you to pay attention so that you understand and hear exactly what he has to tell Enugwu people and their friends. So at this time, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to call on Professor William Emeka. Will be also right? Thank you. All right, please. He has promised that it's not going to be too long. The only way you can give him the encouragement he needs to make it short by summarizing is by being quiet. Thank you so much, Prof.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I will answer and no be morning we come. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, my name is William Semeka Ubiozo. I am a professor of adult learning and special education, and also the Director Center for Disabilities Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, Nigeria. I'm here to talk about Olili Onwasato in the Enugwu, which is the New Yam Festival. Let me start by just giving you a general information about that tuber crop that we call yam. And this is important because many of us here have children. And I think when you get home today, you will be able to pass on one thing or the other to your child when you prepare yam and ask the child to eat. What do you know about yam? It's a staple food in West Africa and other regions of the world. It's classified as a tuber crop. It is produced or farmed annually or perennially. Yam gives carbohydrates and even energy. When we talk about New Yam Festival, it is celebrated by almost every ethnic group in Nigeria. It is observed annually, starting from early August till October. It symbolizes the conclusion of a harvest and also symbolizes the beginning of a new work cycle in the farms. For the Igbo communities, celebration of New Yam ties them together because it is the first crop to be harvested in the farm. It's one of the most important, if not the most important crops. There are different festive names in Igbo land that they use for this particular crop. Ekwachaji in Enugwu, which is a prelude to Iwaji. Anambra people can call it Iwaji or Iriji in Igbo land. Those from Imo or Arondizog call it Ikeji. Newi Axis call it Afiolu. We have 5 different tribes in Nigeria that celebrate New Yam Festival. First is the Igbo New Yam Festival, where you have traditional rites done by the king or Igwe or the eldest man in the community. There are dances by men and women and children, as well as masquerades, parade of all kinds of things, and sharing of yams, yam tubers that you're seeing here, eating and drinking. And in some Igbo communities, before the New Yam Festival commences, all old yams must be consumed or discarded and only new yam cooked during the festival. The Yorubas also celebrate New Yam Festival, and it is called Eje, E-J-E. Our in-laws, I hope you understand what I'm saying. How do this happen? Yes, it is marked with some festivities where they last give thanks, they fast, give thanks for the newest harvest, and also carry out some traditional rites that we help them in the new planting season. Another tribe that celebrates the New Yam Festival in Nigeria is the Ogbe tribe in Ogbe land in Edo State. Their New Yam Festival is referred to as Wasibenile, which means thank you for taking care of me. During this celebration, members of the community pay homage to the traditional ruler, the Olope, at his palace. They come with food and drinks and different gifts. The Okwe people use this festival to give thanks to God for a good harvest and good fortune every year. The 4th tribe is the Ogidi New Yam Festival in Kogi State. The people of Kogi State, especially the Ogidi town, also mark New Yam Festival with glamorous cultural festivals where different people pay homage and pledge loyalty to the king, and then there are other kinds of celebrations going on. The fifth tribe is the Igede Aba New Yam Festival. This takes place in September in the Igede people of Benue State. And you all know that in Nigeria, among the biggest tribe that produces this yam crop is the people from Benue State. And during the time, the people of Igede thank their communal deity for newly harvested yams, as well as celebrate their good times together. So in summary, we always have plenty yams to share during New Yam Festival, especially to the needy and the widows. And this takes place in my community, my town, Enugwu. Only dishes made out of yam is served during New Yam Festival. Palm oil is used to eat the yam. Bean seeds, we call uwa or paka, is also used, although with the modern times, anything goes now. The oldest man, the king or community leader, eats the yam first, offering the yam and prayers to the gods before any other person comes up with it. The harvest symbolizes the abundance of produce. Rituals are performed to express gratitude to the gods of the community for making the harvest possible. There are traditional dances, masquerades, eating, drinking, and meeting new people and making new friends. Now, the last part of this discussion is the New Yam Festival in Enugwu, which is the town that gave birth to me and most of us that are here. We have three areas of importance when we celebrate New Yam Festival. It starts with what we call the Ikoji, the Imamwe, and the Isuevo. The three ceremonies have already been celebrated, awaiting the main event, which is Olili, which was done last Friday, September 6th, and Saturday, September 7th in our town. Of course, the traditional ruler of the town, Igoraf Egbe, always headlines this event with some appointed supporters. The Ibaji Feast event was celebrated on August 9, 2024 at the Obumuri at Enugwu. This was officiated by a cabinet chief, Senator I.G. Abana, marked with pomp and pageantry. Igweraf Ekpe Enugwu na Umuri was represented at the ceremony by the traditional Prime Minister of Enugwu, Chief Dennis Anekwe. The Iboji ceremony marked the sanctification, the purification, and the introduction of newly harvested yams in the Enugwu market. There is no way you can sell yam in Enugwu at this time that is not new yam. So before this date and event, it was only the old yam that are brought and sold in the market. A significant and praiseworthy aspect of this ceremony this time is that the poor people are usually supported, the poor traders drawn from different villages and also from neighboring towns like Nofia, Nimo, and Ebonyi State. A lot of cash gifts are given to these traders. After the performance ceremony at Ukwu market, the senator returned with his team to Igwe's palace with the cabinet and the title chief to report to the traditional ruler about the success of the event. Following this activity, new yams are now being sold at the Ukwu market and other markets in the town. While the new yam may be eaten by any Enugwu indigene who wishes to do so, majority of the indigenes will wait until the official Olili Onwasato ceremony is performed by Igweraf Epe as celebrated last Friday, 6th September, and then they begin to eat the new yam. It is important to add that the Ibaji ceremony must be performed by an Ozonku title chief, which is the highest traditional title in Ukwu clan. The second part of this celebration is the Imamia as a historical prerogative of the Isonye community comprising of Awobu, Osiri, and Ukwu communities in Enugwu. The Imamia of 2024 was celebrated on Friday, August 24th, and presided over by Only Isonye Chief Ebi Nagwaka, who was represented. During the ceremony for the day, the Onwasato was proclaimed. The feast usually takes place in 3 Igbo weeks or 12 days from the date of entertainment. Igwera Ede, the chief of the Imamia, did the proclamation in the presence of the entertainment chief. Now, during the ceremony of the Onwasato feast, the advent of the new moon for the festival. Hence, it may fall on August or September, like in this 2024, which fell in September. The New Year Festival in Enugwu is an 8-long celebration which strengthens the cultural bonds among the constituent villages in the town. As you can see today, there are people from different areas, different tribes that are here celebrating with us this New Year Festival. As the good people of Enugwu celebrate the festival on Friday and Saturday, they pray that Almighty God continues to bless, guide, and direct them in continued peace, progress, as well as social and economic development. It is on this note that I thank you all for listening, and I wish you a very good merriment. Thank you very much.
A round of applause for Professor Obiozo Ezbo19. He actually came all the way from Nigeria to come and give us this lecture. Enugwu may have gotten it free of charge, but if he has gone to another town to do that, he must be running to his banks. Thank you so much. We'll talk, right? On our mother. Professor Chris Olase, I like an A for coming. God bless you always. Okay. Continue from the prof. A big round of applause for him. God bless you. God bless you. When you come from a particular place, your culture matters. You have to understand why certain things are done. And that was exactly what we tried to elucidate here. Thank you so much. At this time, I'm going to go one night or to the high table, but I think he has landed. Chief Chiko Biokoye. Ego Giolo Lamobia. They back to the head. Bigo, back at the bed, go check. Roberta. I am not very Rihanna. In our back some people. No problem, no problem. Thank you. All right, thank you. Urmane kuno Olili nanje no gwada waji Olili wana eliji so no Olili ka ige ele unu fuje de beba I na Dr. Ada Enugwu Ada na Enugwu. I na say that for coming. I'm a free game. You and your friends are actually coming because Bosije no ta da na Enugwu ndi mmadụ so iweje. Abukwa na imebe given Enugwu vaka so fa iweje. And since I do ever see Enugwu ndi Enugwu na enwele angle maka adafa nwanyi na eme mma. And if I go on a vacuum, even I not interpol, no name of me, name of my everyone go let's drop. So everything na daba. So because Obuna DJ Nenya Yobregu, I get your people situated. Can I make a shot on your open with iPhone Olili? So at this time we want to listen to the chairman of today's occasion in the person of Ugwe Benaja Attorney Okedike Konyai, the chairman's remarks. Thank you, sir.
Oko sisi no gidi. Ma I'm in the hospital.
Yes, he was sitting.
By birth, I'm going to gidi. Because Ukwu earlier sina Enugwu Ukwu obodo. Ima before I war express, you see on the Shade Enugwu. A capital row. Enugwu, the architecture of the place changes. A full beautiful stone gates and beautiful stone houses. About 30 years ago, Architectural Digest had a write-up on the stone gates and the stone houses of Enugwu. Almost something unique about architecture. It tells the story of the people. In that write-up, they said that the architecture shows that the Ukwu excel, they highly accomplished in entrepreneurship, in business. And the beautiful thing about 3 weeks ago, I passed through Enugwu. And what you will notice will that you see those houses in the 50s, in the 60s, and the physical modern houses in the 90s and the 2000s. What that shows what you call generational upward mobility. Okay, see now the pattern, their forefathers handed over to them. Nafaka them off womb. Even the womb I'm a who care for. I'm never here. We found that womb the fifth. And each year we feed the Enugwu. It must be Akuruno. Omuna so Liore. So because I have to congratulate the Enugwu for representing and continue to be custodians of Igbo culture and tradition. I say, mweze adefu namba. Enugwu wo that's not real. We see Igbo. Unu biana the Western Hemisphere, you continue to maintain that okwa gunyelu unu on your home. You continue to show the light and DMGS. A lot of Ukwu DMGS, Master Okoroki Jiji, Engineer Kagane Wekeneme, or a proud Dengramite. And our mantra, our motto as Dengramites will show the light. Enugwu people continue to show the light. And if I name today, Iliji, the highly esteemed Professor Kowali Ofuma, Mwema Abia na Igbo is Oba, Yeti Oba Una, Oba Webene Kechi, Onye Sara Oba Gesi na Owunuku Modore, Oba will the vote, Owukita Sino Bank vote. So because he will name Owu Sino Mafo, Jidon Kunuji, Unu we him or will do roller. Thank you so very much.
Beraja, Nurala, Nukumado, Esbomwa, Ibojemano, well learned, and a practicing attorney who know what it means for somebody who understands to say it. He has represented very well the essence of our gathering here today, and we'll say thank you so much for that wonderful address and remarks. God will continue to bless you. Enugwu people, they have told us exactly who you are, culturally astute, and so at this time, Iliji Kaibia. So now ina abondi Enugwu kabajila kafa kowala ozambu mama nko akajugo na Enugwu akajugo because ozambu ebube chukuzo. We want to talk about this Iwaji who does that. Okay. Because ndị ọzọ mgbe Enugwu all the chiefs from Enugwu nụbara maka eme gbasara Iwaji a. Uche Odinigwe, please bagota nane Awaji.
Stop. Okay, don't worry, I'll call it up.
Okay, because I know you can now listen and watch how the Iwaji ceremony is going on now.
Enugwu onye gwana go me uche no de kwa anya wakwana ya oya dere na anya man ka ro bu ya takwo ka ro bu ya kan ebe onye anọ zukwara na ji anya awakwa ji na nke anya awakwa na ya symbolic to show everybody. Oh yeah, the one I am
Alright, biko anyị na-ekele ndị chief Enugwu na nnukwu ọkọfa bụ Ọnọnando Chukwu na chairman of the occasion. O jikefa wa na ife a nye ka a na-afọ eme ife dị na ya. Anyị na-ekele unu emesizi ajike ele onye ọbụla. Anyị na-ekele high chief Ichie Obinna Mbachu ide Umudioka ọ batago ya na mkpụrụ mma Diamond. Anyị na-asị unu nnọọ ka ekiri ya tebụl a ka ọ bịa were ochie. We have called you to the high table, sir. Mkpụrụ mma Diamond, anyị na-asị unu nnọọ ide na Dioka. Ọ ga-elaide Oli Oriso ọ batago. Akili is already seated. Ifi Oni Oriso aga abagoti na high table. So ka emepe ife a na-emekọta ka abagota bịa were oche fa biko. Daalụ no. Okay, Siemie. Oh, Liliji de Enugwu. Odaba. Oh, yes, Rwanda ọnụ aṅụrị ka Enugwu Ukwu na-eme na Chukwu gọziri ọfụma wee nyebe owuwe ife ubi ọtụfụ ọnụ kịta bụzi oge olili alụfu a na-esuru nke na-atụ n'ọnụ n'ọyịba ọya abụ ugo ebe n'aja ezigbo nwanne ọbago ya akanụ igirigi ọrụ na ndị Ojukwu n'Enugwu Ukwu na onye ọ ga-adịrụ mma ọzọ mbụ ebube Chukwu ụzọ ibe na-aga n'anya ya ịmanwa nkwọ aka ji ugo onye rere oke na omezi ibe ji nkịta ọnwụrụ anyị weziela oche anyị awarụ ndị Enugwu Ukwu ji bụ anyị sọpụta n'ebe a na-eme si ide nwuri ọka Chief Sir Obinna Mbacho ide ọkajala kaja ya na mkpụrụ mma anyị na-asị gị nnọọ si biko si wetara ya ji n'ọbata at the right think of time onye bata mgbe a na-eli olili anyị asịrị ajegoro ji enọ laadị na ọnya were oche ka a chọrọ ya ibe ọ na-eli the kajas eze nna ya libe na ibe na Enugwu Ukwu na-eme olili ji daalụnụ thank you daalụnụ all right ebete nyiri dike sibeze abụrụ ji a Olili Orisa Ezogo. All right. For back to this his brother is here now. I think he can now come to the high table. Laide, come on, here, back to this can we have you on the high table? I'm going to get on the table. Put on the high table. Okay. Akini, please. Chief Akini. And then you are not part of this session. Wait them to the high table, please. All right. Okay, thank you. Doctor, all you need to do a certain money, just a little questions and everybody will be saved. But at this time, let me go to the high table also to dance most all right, you get there. Hold it there. Hold it there. Thank you. Hold it. Thank you, bro. All right, Nico, you all understand, like the chairman said in his opening remarks, he understands exactly why we're here. We are also eating and we'll be raising some funds for Enugwu people to also help people back home and help themselves. And everything we know is that we already have an idea of how things like this are handled. So this is not the first time we're going to be gathering together. Dr. Me, Okome, I'm not singing now, Dalo. On our bayale, my friends now in the house. Look one, I like and Sija and Emeka Ezeni, I like a Nande, Okemo, Ninkem, Oga no Mao, Ubego, Ena Baba, Oyenkem, Biko, Anna Mewa, Obroki, Enugwu, Ifuna, Ugebe Naja Punoyama, Savo, na DMJS, I just about the second school markets as Savo, my vedenia. So, no one is what I know who Madu did to an Abu Bari, and see you again on Chelsea. ya bụ emere aka ịlụ aka n'ọkwa nwa m bụ chairman Ugebenaja biko anyị ka na-eri nne for the role you are playing and you are going to play, continue to play. Biko achọrọ ka ayịyọ I want to ask your Ọba Ezugukwu Ebubechukwu ụzọ n'Enugwu ndị Enugwu na-ekwuru anọgwu mana ndị ụnụkọta anya nụrụ ifu na-ekwu gee ntị. What we are saying that the tables we don't have really good spaces for us to go to everybody seated. Because I can go to one number. You know, na batete nugu madu. Kano one ne ya kano. Konira aftarancha academy. I am in space to bring the microphone to you. So I might be standing afar by asking the nearest person to you to hand over the microphone to you so that you'll be able to tell Enugu something. So when we come to your table, whatever you give to Enugu people, they've assured us that they will appreciate that. So do not wait that somebody must come direct and do mana abadaka yimba o me ko yeni go to any man. Alufu ako. Go to na alufu ya no say this even. Odenze. Ogo ma hu. Akajugo Enugu. Biko onye obuna get Okaka na nanka nwoke impossible bo na-ekene gị
Okaka biko bịa ka ihichara microphone biko
Okay, first one.
Okaka na nanka bịa biko bịa
ifichagodili ya microphone ka o wee kwuo
bịa sachara microphone before kwuo onye ga-eme Okaka na nanka
o nwere onye ọzọ ya akpọ na-abụrụ Okaka ọ bụrụ na ọ kpọrọ Okaka ọ eje na mendoro ya kpọta mmadụ Okaka man ya from day one Okaka na nanka onye anyị royal blue nwoke impossible iru ego si amụlị Okaka na nanka
I want to make everybody. When I get at this occasion, you have to be recognized one way or the other. It won't be there somebody else and then get your mask if you have to my microphone. Man, set my microphone until I got recognized. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
$1,000, so $2,000 supporting me. Thank you.
Ugebenaja $2,000. Mudiyana munye ikodie okuno 2,000. Yage ju sacha microphone na. Manyama na 2,000 na abo na mboye ju sacha microphone dine ya malo owe 1 million. So big kwali akọ, my round of applause for him and his beautiful and amiable wife, Dr. Winnie Dalikodie. Aina sikulu na chief special guest of honor in the person Ononando Chukwu Nenugwu Igiligi Nuli or Ezbo Nenugwu Kovu. And I sure because of the way we have arranged here, we need to go to his table right away and then we'll come back to this step to appreciate our Enugwu maka onye ana eduje na ebuzo in a way. Kama mapona malo that these people are the main people that have been working for Enugwu for so many years. So whatever they tell us here today, it will be highly appreciated. But I recognize with microphone, we are going to do that. But let's go to their special in-law.
Achọrọ m iji ohere kelee ndị Enugwu. Anywhere nje ana m ekwu na ije m bịara n'Enugwu n'ọbụ ije ọma. Married to my wife here for 25 years.
And my brother we've been away for 25 years. And I'm going to get that. You look for see the brother now. So the mics are Okay. So I've been very happy that Enugwu as their special guest today. And I'll give them there. I didn't come alone. I came with a few of my friends, and I think I would want them to come join me, so that when I never come to your Jifobi. Come and stand beside me. Nnamdi Okeke, come and stand beside me. You can more watching. Big on. Bakaje, I'm up for the also. Jama, I'm up for the also. Wasulu, Bongo, I'm up for the also. Sylvester, I'm up for the also. Come on, invite this microphone, no? Oh, you have an answer. And here the music. So, whatever we have, we'll just take quickly whatever we're going to give to support the community. Because here, Enugwu put their members in the So, I think, let me start with, you want to say something?
I didn't know that I here is support High Chief, so I'm supporting with $500.
So, I mean, we're just going to go random, yeah? So, Bongo.
We are supposed to be here $300.
Ononande Chukwu Enugwu N'Ụmụogo Enugwu kwekene munu. All protocols observed bikonu. One Solunze borrow a brother and a friend to Igirigi Biko age $500 when I support Igirigi even the Enugwu na-eme bikonu.
Enugwu ndewo Igirigi bụ ezigbo ọyị m. $200 na support
Enugwu kwekene munu. Biko on behalf of His Royal Majesty Igwe Ikenga of Lilu Kingdom. Onye gom the authority wee sị m bịa ka anyị sọpọtụ oke ọgọ ndị Enugwu Ukwu bụ Igirigi na Igirigi na Nilu. Onye ka anyị ji wee nọrọ ebe a. And also Ugocharacha unu nyere anyị bụ Dr. Adora Okoliabo. Igwe wee sị na ya asacha this microphone before Igirigi ekwugo okwu. So anyị ji $250 wee na-asacha microphone. Ekene m ọnụ.
Enugwu kwenu. Okay, so yeah, but one in wine. I don't wine. My family. I'm the son of late Sir Michael Okeke. So I've been in my bones in Enugwu. Some of them are too much in Enugwu. I'm going to support Henry, my brother-in-law, with $500. Then my family, not my family, my dad, another $500,000 more.
Hello. So, I can have everybody there, and everybody has supported us. Although we had noticed never at that. What the man of the Enugwu when I am up. Enugwu together and you got drop an easy. Enugwu could not get to the Enugwu. That's the one wrong. I'm up on the meeting. So, on no one. On behalf of my own family, $25,000. That's support.
Ikono, Enugwu. All the Kona are here, Igiri. Another Chukwu na Enugwu na Umuli. Also known as support in the Enugwu with $5,000. Honorando Chukwu na Enugwu na Umuli. Biko kumana akeba. I'm upon an Enugwu batala ego ile. Mana ọ bụrụ ana na Enugwu ji ego na-etu anụ. Na onye weta ndị akwa n'onye aka n'ụgbọ ọzọ bụ. Ọ bụrụ ka esi eme. Kedu ibe eji wele onye na-achị yu na ego na-ayụ unu mechike n'ọnụ unu malife okwu. And enwere ike ịmakịta maka na Macbeth si just do. Anyị amara ma mkpọtụ anyị na-ewepụziri ya ife. Igwe ike nga gogozi. Ndị niile sọpọtụrụ igirigi ọ ga-adịrị unu mma. Thank you so much. Okay, Unufulu, one remarkable thing he did is that he came with his friends. I didn't waste all the time for us to bring the microphone and somebody will be telling you, go, let her go and come back. He pulled them out. You may not have to pull out your friends, but if we give you a microphone, you can quickly hand over to your friend and ask him. You would have told him before now to do something for Enugwu people. We want to appreciate everybody, and I believe that we have enough for everybody to eat. And I from none I got reasonably, very, very reasonably. So let me go to my right and meet my very good friend, my brother, and somebody who is a socialite, a philanthropist, Idekajala na Dioka. Lukumadu. Emeritus President, People's Club, first international branch at Sugarland. Obinna Mbadu. High Chief, Sir Obinna Mbadu, Ide na Dioka. Kajala Kaja. Oyoma.
Ukwu ịmara gbọwụrụ ụkpọ Olili ya Lakaja honor down for you. Now kneel down and I know what you all the guys here know what they are. I thought we could no because the book so next time I'm going, I better have my $1,000 here for Enugwu.
Because $1,000 Ojiwe one Enugwu Ojiwe Seba Weliji I like any onye ọbụla nwere style obi mbacha adịrị eje bụ emesi ala shake ya dị n'aka ebe a $1,000 from him ọzọpụ ọgụwa na anaka ego okay ụlọ ekwuzina okwu na-ekwu okwu ego pụtụ n'ụma ụta ọnụ obodo onye ọnwa Ebubechukwuzo. Oga Imoke Oni Orison. Yana Akili, your senior brother. And him and Yoruba were.
I support Enugwu with $300.
Akao.
Enugwu Kwenu.
Yeah.
I'm here this evening to support my beautiful wife.
Yes.
My in-laws.
Yes.
But unfortunately, I was informed 5 days ago, so I didn't prepare.
Okay.
So next time, please let me know ahead of time. Okay. So I can bring my people with bands and music and everything. But for today, I will support you with $1,000.
Occasion like this, invite many and love too that you have all these preparations. The Yorubas, they like to dance when they are moving in. Now, he did not give you that opportunity, but having the married to a beautiful daughter of Enugwu, he has given you $1,000. A round of applause for them. May your God and follow them, man. That's the SMD, because whatever you give, we will thank.
Biko Enugwu kwenu. Enugwu kwenu. Ifunu na-eme dị mma. Awo mena de kopo anya kronu ji webulu ụmụ. Nsi mụnwa ejikwu $200 wee na-akwado ife a na-eme.
I am sure that in the next few minutes you would have left to somewhere else to also give. So thank you, and we are asking that your fountain will never dry. God will continue to replenish you. God bless you. Amobia, $200 go just support the Enugwu, especially Ozambu, go to Musa.
Enugwu kwenu. Enugwu kwenu. Eji $200 na support unu.
Ba ekele n'ụlọ, Enugwu kwenu na ekele unu. Agha egwu oge. Ka mụ were $200 na support ọzọ mbụ biko.
Thank you so much. Dalo. Ego Jolu. Onye bidi ife ọmụ na ọkwara onye nwanna ha aka na-eche bankị ya. Ego Jolu na ekele ama ọbịa niile.
Enugwu Ukwu biko ana m ekele ụlọ. Ọma bụ nze Ego Jolu n'ama ọbịa. Nwanne m nwoke Ego Jolu bụ ego $200. On behalf of Moa and my wife, I give $500 where I support Enugwu.
Oh, Ego Jolu adekwu. Ọkọ cash ka o melie o. Agwa m ya adịgwu ewa ka ntizie nke a na-arị. Kedu ndị Enugwu na-anaka ego? Unu enwefọrọ na ụmụ nwaanyị eji na-ata ndị mmadụ ego nsikọ ike. Biko anyị na-ekene Enugwu Ukwu. Obi si n'Ọkịja, you are facing me direct. Ngwa. Afamo. Biko Dr. Afamo Konko $200. Onye ekele ndị Enugwu Ukwu anyị na-asị adaalụ. Thank you so much. Dr. Mazuru Abụ na Abakaliki, ị na-ekele Enugwu Ukwu. Biko si kupụrụ ya ka $100 Enugwu Ukwu. So you are supposed to be thank you so much. Thank you so much. Attorney Oje Lawa, Umiana Nomakia. Biko Obruno Monday is to make sure that everybody here is well served. We have not seen them on the floor. People are actually have to say they are not happy the way it's being handled. It's as simple as that. People are not giving anything. People will give you money. Nobody goes there to collect. Nobody goes there to ask them anything. That is not how fundraising is run. If somebody gives you money, somebody should go there, thank him, and even give him something. I'm sure he has gotten something also. So,
Enugwu working them on. Enugwu working them on. Igbo kwenu. Yeah. One. Any ezigbo enyi anyị nwoke bụ CJ tiwụwa. Ọ maka ya ka anyị ji wee bịa ebe a. So, on behalf of his friends, I have support ya with
Biko, anyị na-ekele ndị oyi CJ okwu na kabara ụlọ na tebụl a extended na $5,000 wee na-asọpọtụ ife CJ na-eme. Papa kwuru etu si akwa akalafara ya n'onwego ya bụ orukwa ma na-adịga ebe ndị na-ebe a erika so na papa anya bụ na mgbe
another friend of mine, also not talking about it. I know the $300 support. I know the good I came here for you get and taking care of me. And on behalf of CJ, I'm needed to
$1,000 going in Enugwu because now we're two good friends there. Darlon, thank you. $500.
my friends in there,
na friend ya with Afaja support Enugwu oga kapuzia. But I'm going to my professional colleague for Onwasato. Now $500 support ligi on an Chukwu na Enugwu no wonder. Ozel Gopia and also Kazela to his best friend Ka go Ozel to also Basil Buba. So now Basil Buba is only Diego Enugwu. I thank you so much. And one time okay, $200. Sikuaka, Ejene Oka, $100. Bella Bata, or if we just support the Enugwu. CJ, you can make it you and your friends. Never feel Omonia or that change. I adapted to go. I make it. That was one thing. Okay. Never in Oka. I went to the Enugwu. So I'll come back to you. Thank you. CY Uchendo. I want people to do my honor. 100. Also not $100. Oh, Kugo $100. Because that's not 150. On a one. Vigo also not $100. Don't just support. Uche import, not for my brother. Uche import, Vigo. You for my $1 million. $100. Hey, the moment I want to if you're not going for fantastic. The great. When they do something, manifesto. On a money. I am manifesto. Yeah? Okay. Rapia, no more for you. I'm going to go to the Thank you. All right. CJ and friends. Okay. Oh, please support the Enugwu kind of there. Which are the neighbor? H.I. Bagata. Come on, please. Oh, come on, and I couldn't. You wouldn't run on about it. Can you think about it? You can have a kita or letter. Because you wouldn't have $200. We're not supposed to pay. You wouldn't have if I'm after this, they would do $200. And because at this time, I cannot continue without going to my brother, Dr. Uche Akudo, worldwide from Ogidi. We encourage Efa. I see no Gadeliama. Ozambu. Oh, it's Enugwu man. Enugwu Kumakia. One of them, she felt there. Or what if you got Enugwu at this moment? It is not about the man.
Well, I'm not an order. I just came back from Nigeria from Enugwu. Because I don't have an order to say we go fly to where they are hosting. I was here. I look at one and I had a little man. For all the donations, please, if you need a minute, I say I have to charge for Pele. Man is on a vending more. Close in a day. In we're $1. You put them on, but you can't know personally. I have my daughter and my son here. If I make any mistake, I will be in trouble. Their mom will get me arrested. So I'm just giving to everybody. Thanks very much, and I will keep donating for Enugwu. Last year, 2 years ago, I was there for everything. So let me just give. I will give you $500 this time.
Nigerian based. Also Nigeria, Oje Fuja Wasiji, Oje Lisijina, Oje Ojina, Enugwu. Bafla, that I weather for Balua. We over 500. We're not support if I say that one day. God will continue to replenish you. This Nigerian Enugwu Mano. Ozamu. Akajugo. Lugumwa. Because Sikuba Pakabao, Lakajugo Nomundre, also with Mamma $300. Umakonanga of Nigeria will be complete. If Obama always a cover, honey, you remember the guy, that one, Parangenis, down so much. Yoga Deluma, also Mulenuku, or one near Battle Fire Nakafro. Half a more company like $200 in the Kenepolia, who they will be able to. Okay. Oh, well, because Omonya on a hidden place, can we identify him and tell him welcome? Because it will be very bad. Enugwu invite him Madeba of talking with their microphone. It will not be right. So I want us to ensure that everybody here is recognized and treated well. This time, CJ Chimuba, Alright. The floor is open. Let's let me have go. Bobby Kanya. Right now. Aki. Oh, back to this session. I can Thank you.
Oh, no, no. I don't like
At this time, we want to thank all the Enugwu women and all their friends that have gathered, and we are rejoicing. Olili Jinja Enugwu na Gofma. Ndi nwunye odogwu. First lady, Mrs. Odinigwe. Dalo. Okay. Dr. Mrs. Odinigwe, First Lady Enugwu women. Now Houston, Texas. Anthony Ifimba. Rapoba not gone at it. Here on the way.
I'm
presentation. There's going to be 2 categories to this award presentation. Community Service Award and award to some of the young folks who have distinguished themselves in their different endeavors. You're not going to take time with this. If your name is called, please come out here and receive your award. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, please, allow us just a few minutes, please. We need to show due appreciation and recognition to some of our members, our children, and all those who have contributed in one way or the other towards making Enugwu a golden place on earth. Like we all know, you have three areas of contribution to life. It's either you contribute your talent, or you contribute your treasure, or you contribute your most precious time. So these awardees have, in one way or the other, by way of time, treasure, and talent, contributed to the progress of Enugwu in general as a community. So for tonight, we have 2 categories. One category is for community service. The other one is for youth ambassadorship. We want to appreciate our youths who are doing good and laying good examples for others. Just like when you go to school, you smash all your exams, they give you scholarships. After that, they give you other awards as well. So tonight, we're going to appreciate ours as well. Without further ado, let me start by appreciating our sister who has established a computer community center back home in our village. Right here in the States, you can go anywhere and get on the computer, get online, do whatever you want to do, and then you go. But back home, it ain't easy like that. She decided on her own to use her own money, her own time, and her own treasure to establish that for the less fortunate ones back home. Ladies and gentlemen, please, let's give it up to our sister, Iyon, Mrs. Ifeoma Beatrice Ufom Onioriso. Please put your hands together for her. Please, put your hands together, please. Mrs. Ifeoma Onioriso and her lovely husband, Laide Onioriso. This is a special plaque that has all our appreciation and congratulations and all the thank yous in the world. Please make sure you capture that. Miss Onioriso, with her husband. Can you all please put your hands together for that? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, what we're gonna do, when we do one community service, the next one is gonna be Youth Ambassadorship Award. And to kickstart that, we want to call our brother. This brother, from way back, has been identifying with the culture of our hometown. He has gone to school, succeeded as a professional, and then also went home to go and take a chieftaincy title. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our brother, my homie, also Prince Ebe, all the way from Dallas. We appreciate you, brother. Can you guys put your hands together, please, so my little homie, or my big homie, Mr. President, can you do the honors? recognition and appreciation of your little contribution to the progress of youth of Enugwu. Please put your hands together for Ozo Prince Ebe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to we will want to appreciate our sister, our daughter, also from the Ebe household. Ladies and gentlemen, please accept your indulgence for a few seconds. I just stand corrected. When we appreciate you with an award, we normally should let you say thank you to the community for the award. Also, Prince, can you you want to say thank you to community for the award?
Just wanted to say on behalf of the family, give thanks to all those who came and supported them. We just want to thank you for a successful event. It was blessed. Thankful for all the people that showed up.
Our daughter, Dr. Leslie Ebe. Put your hands together. Our daughter not just graduated with a PhD degree, she also uses her money to award scholarships to students in her high school in Dallas. I think it's Louisville High School in Dallas. She awards scholarships there. Only way you can find out is go check out her Facebook page. Please, can we put our hands together for her, Dr. Leslie Ebe? Thank you.
Good evening. Thank you all for this award. I'm so honored. Firstly, thank God for all of this. I'm excited for what's to come, and thank you to my hometown. I really appreciate this. Everyone have a safe ride home. Thank you.
Enugwu is so. Ladies and gentlemen, please, we have different criteria for these awards, especially for the Youth Ambassador Awards. This is our sister right here. 2 years ago in Los Angeles, California, during our convention, all the VIPs were making donations at the convention. This is our sister. Just raise her hand and they say, "Oh, can you feature him?" I said, "That's you something." They gave her the microphone. She said, "I like the way Enugwu is progressing. I'm going to donate $1,000 to Enugwu." The whole hall went berserk. Because tonight we are appreciating Dara because in Igbo language or in Igbo culture they say, if you want to if anybody gives you $1, please, you appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in appreciating our sister, our daughter, Mrs. Chisom Mokwa Onwasato, all the way from Dallas. Please put hands together for her and her husband. Okay. Yes.
Good evening. Thank you, everyone. I'm really committed to the development and the progression of Enugwu, not only as a people but as a town. So thank you so much for this award, and hopefully we do more and more next year and next year. Thank you.
In the same vein, we also want to appreciate another of our daughters and our sisters, Miss Ego Anekwe, for her contributions to the progress and development of Enugwu. Ego Anekwe, please, can you come on to the podium, please?
Hi everyone. I want to say thank you for having us and giving us this award. And on behalf of my dad, Chief Ome Ozoku, I'm truly grateful to be part of Enugwu. And I'm also proud of what the youths are doing. And I'm truly grateful to Uncle Chris for inviting the youths to this event. It's been really great learning things and just being part of the culture. Everyone get home safe. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our brother, Dr. Chukwuebuka Mweke, all the way from California. But tonight, he couldn't be here, but you won't believe it. His daddy traveled all the way from California to come in here and stand in for him for this award. Ladies and gentlemen, please, let's show our appreciation to his daddy, Chukwuebuka's daddy, Tibor. Tibor, because thank you for coming from all the way from California. Thank you.
Yeah, my president, my son couldn't be here today because he has some things to round up. If you have listened to the news, there have been earthquakes in California for the past week. So his team was assigned to go and investigate and put reports on how to prevent earthquakes or give further instructions on how to do safety safeguards. So I said I'll come and represent him here today. Thank you very much for the award. And I want to say something very important, which I want to share with Enugwu. All the important that we should actually appreciate our youth. They sometimes know more than what we know. So they should be encouraged at a young age so they can reach their limits. The sky is their limit. That's what I believe. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this time it's going to be another community service award. Remember, the past three have been for our youth ambassadorships. The next one now is for community service award for our sister who has been putting up lofty efforts in making Enugwu be greater in terms of achievements and success. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's welcome our sister, Miss Patricia Nwejike, to come here and receive a community service award for all her valuable services to Enugwu community right now and in the past. Nwejike, please, can you come up to the podium? Put your hands together for her, please. That's our sister right there. She's been coordinating all the activities of today. On the here all the while. When you're cash. What if all the line? I don't so many gala. I don't know how to go. Oh, yeah, they go. Jeto president, co-president, and I work. Can we all put our hands together for her, please? I'll do it for there. Thanks a lot. Okay, our other sister, Miss Ifeoma Ozigbo, please can you come up to the podium, please? Ifeoma Ozigbo used to be our private chef for all our meetings from way back in the 2000s. Oh, please, special announcement. Why Ifeoma is coming to pick up our work? I want to let you know, if you leave, you're going to miss out on a very great show. There's a big masquerade display that's going to round up the show. If you leave out, if you walk out that door, you're going to miss out. Please exercise a little more patience for 2 minutes, and then you're going to be part of that masquerade display. Please. Thank you. Ifeoma Ozigbo, please, yes. This is our picture. Hey. Okay, so we will be ready for the masquerade display. Ladies and gentlemen, another appreciation for Community Service Award to our own brother, Onwasato, Sir Basil Mbaba. Enugwu no niile gburugburu. Biko, I never appreciate. But now, we are appreciating, we never appreciate for all your service to the community. Because, thank you. Can you put your hands together, please? This was President Emeritus of Enugwu, not just in Houston, but here in the United States of America. President Emeritus, ECDU USA, President Emeritus, ECDU Houston chapter, and presently the Chairman of the Board of Directors, ECDU in the United States of America. Awesome, congratulations and thank you. Yeah. You're not going to believe it. The last award. The last award. The last award will go to our foremost 7th-in-chief. He's like 7th-in-chief. But he puts in everything, he puts in his time, puts in his talent, puts in his treasure. But not just his treasure. This guy goes back home to the village. He has a scholarship scheme for over 50 students in universities and secondary schools. He doesn't even tell us about that. He has a health insurance scheme for all his community in Enugwu. This guy, what he does for our hometown, only one man, Senator Okechwabra, had acknowledged to say, you know what, in Baltimore, the guy said, this man is a great man. This guy is a great guy. Because the last award was somebody. He did because he got better line I can present award because all you want this award. That kind of this award. Because better line I can present here. Because if you want to appropriate only about our law or the collider before the law in the 2 months. And then we'll appreciate. And on the day but only but Abadakia or with the Eguia and with time. Because this award they to Dr. Uche. Can I be innocent? Dr. Uche Olili. Because with the kids, piano. Oh, the award is for you. It's for their dad. Hey man, you guys come over. Come here. I need all of you come over here. Sure. Go over there. Yeah, go join your daddy. Ladies and gentlemen, please. Yeah, sure, go ahead. Let's put our hands together for this our indefatigable brother. Princess, can you stay there, please? There with daddy, go to daddy. ndị Igbo si ito dike na nke o mere eme gị na-eme ome ọzọ biko ọzọ a na-etoro nwanne ya nwoke biko before kebụla anyị erika yeah just look at that yeah sure please put your hands together. One of the other day, I don't know for them. Right, come. Amiable one, Dr. Mrs. Orie Olili. And I can tell the boss lady is right there, the little boss lady is there. She's in charge of the whole house. And then I know that there's a professor here in the house. I know there's a brain surgeon there in the house. And then there's an engineer in the house. Please put your hands together for all these guys. Thank you, and we appreciate you. Yes. Because this guy has been doing this over 10 years, and by discussion of the presenter, Ide Umurioka can go to the award that day here. Because Community Service Award for philanthropy to Ukwu. Now, philanthropy or fellow. You will go out of your own volition, and therefore see a fault. Now, Lolo, and you have already done yourself. Oh, anyone I'm losing. No more, no. Jimmy, heart transplant. You pay. Heart transplant. When you go to Jimmy getting kidney transplant, he pay. I don't praise it. They also on scholarship this woman. But also, then we find out health insurance out in America here. Hopefully, you're getting now in Enugwu. Because go on here because if I do fella or do fella, I think because thank you. You did. Thank you. Give me five. There you go. Give me five. Yeah. Thank you.